Buenos Aires, the capital of Argentina, is a vibrant and charming destination offering visitors a rich cultural experience. Known for its stunning scenery and varied attractions, Buenos Aires has become a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. For those planning a visit to Buenos Aires, watching drone footage can provide valuable insight into what this charming city has to offer. From planning your itinerary to exploring different neighborhoods and attractions, seeing Buenos Aires from above can enhance your travel experience. The city of Buenos Aires itself is a melting pot of architectural styles, with European influences evident in its grand boulevards and elegant buildings. From the famous Obelisco to the colorful Boca district, there is no shortage of picturesque places to explore and capture memorable moments. For those interested in the arts, Buenos Aires boasts numerous theaters, art galleries, and museums. The Teatro Colón is known for its exceptional opera productions and is considered one of the best theaters in the world. The National Museum of Fine Arts displays an impressive collection of Argentine art from different periods. Overall, Buenos Aires offers an unforgettable travel experience thanks to its unique combination of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you want to explore its sights or experience its vibrant nightlife, this charming city has something for everyone.